What if you could build an AI agent that answers your customers' questions instantly, works 24/7, and helps you save hours of manual work every single day? Enter Pro just launched Agent Builder, a powerful new feature that lets you build real AI agents and turn your business workflows into AI-powered systems, all without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Agent Builder works by creating a real AI customer support agent from scratch. We'll see how you can describe what you want to build, answer a few simple questions, and let Enter Pro create a fully functional AI agent for your business. So, let's jump right in and see how Agent Builder can help you create powerful AI assistants in just a few steps. Before we get started, if you enjoy AI tools and productivity content like this, to get started, open Google and search for Enter Pro. From the search results, visit the official Enter website at enter.converge.ai. Once you're on the website, click on Agents in the interface. This is where you can access Agent Builder and start creating your own AI agents. In the center, you'll find a prompt box where you can simply describe what you want to build. You can also choose from leading AI models, including options like Gemini, Claude, GPT, and more, depending on what's available in the interface. Now, let's create our first AI agent. I'll type a prompt asking Enter Pro to build an AI customer support agent. Enter Pro will start analyzing your request, so just wait a few moments. During the process, Enter Pro may ask a few follow-up questions to better understand your requirements. For example, it may ask which AI model you want to use, what product knowledge the assistant should have, or how you'd like the support agent to behave. Simply answer the questions, and the platform will continue building your AI agent automatically. Before generating the final result, Enter Pro provides a detailed project overview. It includes the recommended approach, implementation steps, verification points, and a complete plan for your AI assistant. This allows you to review everything before building the agent. Once you're satisfied with the plan, click the Build Now button. Enter Pro will start generating your AI customer support assistant. After a short wait, your assistant will be ready. As you can see, our AI customer support agent has been created successfully. It can answer customer questions, provide helpful information, and even recognize when a conversation should be handed over to a human support representative. You can immediately test your assistant by asking questions like, "Explain your pricing," "Guide me through onboarding," or "Recommend the best plan for my business." The responses are fast, accurate, and natural. You can also preview the assistant in full screen mode to experience exactly what your customers will see. Once you're happy with the results, you can publish your AI assistant and make it available online. And the best part is that Enter Pro supports full lifecycle version management. Every update is tracked in the changelog, so you can easily see what has changed over time. And if a new version ever causes an issue, you can roll back to a previous working version with just one click. But that's not all. Building a customer support agent is just one example. Now, let's create something even more advanced. This time, I'll ask Enter Pro to build an AI customer support agent for an e-commerce clothing store. I'll enter my prompt and click the Generate button. Enter Pro will analyze the request and may ask a few follow-up questions to customize the agent. For example, it may ask where the AI support chat should appear, such as on your website, inside your mobile app, or both. It may also ask how product images should be sourced, whether from your product catalog, uploaded manually, or synced from your online store. Depending on your project, it may also ask about your return policy, shipping details, FAQs, brand tone, and product information. Simply answer these questions and click Continue. Enter Pro will begin generating your AI customer support agent automatically. Just wait a few moments, and after a short while, our new AI agent is ready. It can answer product-related questions, recommend clothing based on customer preferences, help shoppers find the correct size, track orders, explain shipping and return policies, and provide instant customer support 24/7. If you'd like to build AI agents like these for your own business, sign up for Enter Pro using my link below and you'll get 300 free credits to start building your own AI agents. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the sign up link and offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know what kind of AI agent you'd like to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.